Oh well, Bukhanka. Let's go fishing. Fuck it, I'm not gonna stand it. That druggy buggy is a terror of countryside, forests, and assholes that fix it. Just because it tends to burst in flames from time to time. This minivan is made to live in it, to fix it, but in no fucking way to drive it because it's fucking hell. A year has passed, exactly a year. There's 1 year from love to hate if you drive that kind of vehicle. All hopes, they just got shattered like glass on a tile because it's easier not to take that piece of shit but to take like 6 cubic meters of air and start making a frame that doesn't rust, proper bridges that don't shuffle, just start everything from scratch. I spent 3 times its price. It didn't get any better. Enough is enough is enough. So let's use it the only way it can be properly used. Total destruction. In other countries, they stopped making this type of vehicles in the 70s because, I quote, "The automobile has ceased to correspond to the norms of modernity." That means that everything in it is old. Mostly I'm confused by a complete lack of safety, like any safety. Body stiffness, security systems, there is nothing in here. That shagging wagon never went through a crash test. All I have seen are some traffic accidents, with that gang wagon being unbelievably smashed inside out. But when you look at this truck, that just floats. There's no rigidity in it. It gets really scary. Therefore, the only thing it's worth for is a traffic accident, a crash test. Into a wall, you bitch. No compromise. It probably has been standing in such a hangar gathering dust all its long life, for 10 years. But what are we interested in? We are interested in the pillar here. I want to use it as concrete blocks for impact for a crash test. We'll fix this wonderful sheet of steel in here. When the guy's mounted, I think we should stick a pulley here and pull our wagon through a pulley in this direction while the other car will go the other way. This will give us some kind of acceleration. Well, theoretically, of course, we need to get a car with a power steering, put some electronics there and remote control it, but...
Блядь, а чтобы была нормальная скорость, стоит так умыть? Блядь, что за побеги совершенки? Элли Дюфрен 30 лет ковырялся в стене. Обвязать может.
Давай! Have developed a thruster system which is installed on a wheel thrust, and in fact I don't know really whether it will work or not. We'll check it out today. This is quite an interesting thing because, well, Mythbusters did it, and we, as you know, at some point are trying to follow their footsteps. Well, everything is ready. There is our loser cruiser, our dudes, the Saab is out there. There are 2 wires going through a pulley over the column through all that crap. I hope we'll make it. Let's rock.
Пошла, родимая. Пошла, блядь. Куда-то не туда, пошла. Давай! По-моему, ей пофигу вообще. мотор в салон ушел.
Че вообще?
Не, ну в целом. Ну блин, она не очень быстро ехала. До скольки у нас примерно получилось разогнать?
По-моему, у нее кардан вывалился.
А смотри, кстати, вырулил туда, куда надо, да?
вырулил, да.
Притом сам. Система, короче, работает хорошо, уже приятно.
So, our DIY crash test was a little bit of a failure. We need some more build-up, should buy more expensive equipment, wires, schmires, other proper devices to smash it all up. And then we'll do it with crash test dummies, with acceleration meter to check the acceleration, is it like life-threatening or not, and so on. That's another story actually, and we need to prepare more thoroughly. And right now, I just want to destroy that piece of shit. Not smashed, not painted. Wanna buy? It's 12 miles per hour. 12 fucking miles per hour. The heater fell out down here. Holy fuck. Attention, attention. The following action was performed by professionals under capable supervision of specialists, medics, and other else required. Do not try that at home.
Мне вообще интересно, петарда разорвет или нет?
Разорвет, конечно.
Да хуй знает.
Буханка-то заговоренная.
Да.
И в огне не горит, блин, и в воде не тонет.
At a shitty loser cruiser which has lost its meaning of existence in the 21st century, fire!
Шипит. Да, да, да. Опа! Топливо потекло, пацаны! Не искрим! А дальше опасно стрелять, блядь. Или... Ну давай! Ладно, похуй.
The final nail. I want to shoot the engine. Die, and if I can't have it, no one will.
Даня, подожди, Даня, а на чем мы обратно-то поедем?
На ногах.
Ну давай.
Минус пальцы на руках. Отходим, будет рикошет. Куда я попал? Куда я попал? Я, короче, перебил все провода, но в железяку так и не попал. Ну ладно.
А это у нас картечь 6,2. Посмотрим, что будет.
Давай.
Что же будет? Ты зацени просто! Он пробил ему двигло и... Что это, блядь? Что это за часть? Лапаная крышка. Он пробил просто, пофигу все.
Хочу финальный, чтобы аж до цилиндра дошло.
Стой. Техника безопасности.
Одеть на чечи. Ну туда же, короче. Или нет? А, да, я дальше пробил.
Well, that microbus is turned into a colander. Now the boys are putting in some special stuff, which we are not gonna show you due to new YouTube regulations, and anyway, for your own safety. And it's gonna be, well, see for yourself what's gonna be.
Все готовы? Макака, фигать!
Работали на заманных ям.
У вас всего доброго.
На тебе на память.
God damn you, the hellish carriage. The bus is shit. Out of mind, out of sight. That's it. No more Soviet car industry. Восход, UAS, they showed me enough. I thought I could carefully work around it, maybe fix it, make it better, but Volvo Laplander have already made it better. They did everything I wanted to do in that hippie wagon, and it can fucking drive around without breaking up. If you like such videos, various devices, techniques, guides, DIY stuff and experiments, subscribe to our channel and like the video. Likes help a lot, along with comments and any kind of activity. Let's make DIY great again, so to speak. It was Danya Kraster, see you. And you will see a lot of new stuff coming soon, so don't fuck around and click on that bell button. Okay, gotta go. Have to do more crazy shit.